Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Printify with Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, Printify is one of the services that Squarespace allows you to use through their site. It has a implemented integration with Printify, so you can very easily use it through the extensions you have on your Squarespace site. And the way you add your extensions is very easy. As you can see, currently I am on my site, and to create a connection with Printify, I'm just going to go into my settings, go into third-party tools, click on extensions, and then you just need to sort of search for Printify, which is right here under inventory and products. You do have the search option over here if you can't find it, but it should be very obvious where it is, since it is a very popular embedded integration. Now, as you can see, all you have to do here is just click connect, and as you can see, it is a paid for service, so you can see the pricing details over here on the actual Printify site. As you can see, there is a free option, so you can use that if you wish. However, that doesn't have all the benefits, and if we go and hit connect, it's going to take me back to Printify, and I'm going to need to sign in as one of my accounts, and I'll just sign in as this account on Google. So let me just go ahead and select it, and now that I've signed in, it should connect everything. As you can see, you need to give your store a name, so I'll just name it Store Test as I did my Squarespace site, then just click connect, and it's going to open up Squarespace. Click allow, and once that pop-up goes away, we're going to be able to use Printify like this. As you can see, you connected your Squarespace store, and they just had a glow up. I don't have anything interesting there, and as you can see, you need to create a store page to continue publishing products. So to actually use Printify in its full capacity, I'm going to go over into pages, and I'm going to add another store page, even though I already have one. So let's say, for example, I add a store page. I'll just click this, and I'm going to name it Printify, and once I hit enter, that's going to create a new store, and there we go. And now I've created a new store page, and for some reason it still says this. Let me just try and refresh. It should go away. It didn't, but it really doesn't matter. But yeah, now you can add new products and sync it up with your Squarespace store, and that's how you use Printify with Squarespace. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.